Hey anglers! Check out this 400-piece fishing lure kit packed with everything you need for a successful day on the water. This set includes crankbaits, soft worms, spinners, spoons, topwater lures, and hooks, all organized in a compact tackle box. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, these lures work great for bass, trout, and many other species. Each lure features lifelike 3D eyes and scale patterns to attract even the smartest fish. Made with durable, anti-corrosion materials, this kit is built to last through countless fishing trips. The double-layered tackle box makes it easy to find the perfect lure quickly and carry it anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit is a perfect gift for fishing enthusiasts on any occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.